Hello students, welcome to EduRev. Today we will talk about our Earth in the solar system in a simple and fun way. Have you ever looked up at the sky and wondered where we all live? Imagine you are an astronaut floating in space and you look down at Earth. You would see a beautiful blue and green ball with white clouds like cotton. That blue is the oceans and the green and brown are the lands where we live. Let us begin with a small wonder. From the ground, the Earth looks flat, but from space, it looks round. Think of the Earth like an orange, mostly round, but a little squashed at the top and bottom. This squashed shape happens because the Earth spins, and it is slightly flat at the poles. We live on the outer layer of the Earth called the crust, which has land and water on it. The land is where people, animals, and plants live. And water, like rivers and lakes, gives us drinking water. Oceans are very big waters, and there are 5 of them. One is called the Indian Ocean. Smaller waters are seas, and their water is salty, while lakes and rivers usually have fresh water. Now let us talk about continents, which are big pieces of land on Earth. There are 7 continents, and Asia is the largest one, where India is located. Every continent has many countries, and Antarctica is special because only scientists visit there for a short time. To help us study Earth, we use a globe, which is a small round model of our planet. A globe is shaped like a sphere, and it has an imaginary line called an axis that goes through the North Pole and the South Pole. The globe can turn around this axis, just like the real Earth turns, and that gives us day and night. Now let us look at some invisible lines on the globe that help us find places easily. The equator is an imaginary belt around the middle of Earth, and it divides Earth into 2 halves, the northern and southern hemispheres. Latitudes are the horizontal lines that go left to right on the globe, and they tell how far a place is from the equator. The Tropic of Cancer at 23.5 degrees north passes through India, and the Tropic of Capricorn is 23.5 degrees south. Longitudes, also called meridians, are curved lines that run from the North Pole to the South Pole. The prime meridian is at 0 degrees longitude and passes near London. And longitudes help us tell time differences between places. When latitudes and longitudes cross, they make a grid. And that grid helps us find the exact spot of any place on Earth. For example, knowing the grid numbers, we can find Pondicherry or Bhopal on a global map. So, what do we learn from this? We learn that Earth is our round home with land and water. And we use a globe and imaginary lines to find and understand places. Let us quickly remember. Earth is nearly round like an orange, has 7 continents and 5 big oceans. Also remember, the equator, latitudes, and longitudes are invisible helpers that tell us location, climate, and time. Keep asking questions and looking at maps and globes, because every question makes you a better learner. Thank you for listening, and do explore more fun facts on EduRev when you feel curious. Keep learning, stay curious, and remember that every small question is a great step toward understanding our wonderful Earth.